Hey there, not sure which brushes to use for your cream foundation. I want to show you the three that I use that I love, but they all have a different finish on them. So depending what kind of coverage you want is really going to depend on what kind of brush you want. So the first brush is this Buff brush, and this is going to be your heaviest coverage. So the coverage is going to be like that. So if you've got a lot of sunspots to cover, a lot of acne, you have things that you really want to cover, this is going to be your brush. The next brush is this blend brush. So if you want a lighter, more airbrushed look, this is going to be your girl. So again, tap very lightly into the product and I'll show you what a difference it is compared to this one up here. This is going to kind of give you more of an airbrush look where it's still covering, but it just has a lighter finish to it. The good thing about this brush is you can use this smaller end for areas like around your eyes, and that's gonna give you a little bit more coverage, but just be careful because it's gonna pick up a little bit more the stiffer the bristles are. And finally, the brush I love is this blush and bronzer brush. This is the one I usually use at the end where I just magically blend all of my makeup together, but you can also use this to put on your makeup. So this is kind of like somewhere in between coverage, where if I tapped it on there and put it on my skin and really tapped it in, you see you're still getting coverage, but it's just lighter than this one, but it's still more than this one. And by the way, there's no wrong or right way to put on your makeup. It just depends on the kind of coverage you want. So what do you think? This is the blush and bronzer brush finish here. This is the Buff brush, and this is the blend brush. Which one do you like?